Okay, so here we are in desktop, and what we have is two tables. One is just an exclusive calculations table with a measure in there, which is the sum of premium that belongs to the data table. And then in the data table itself, we have exactly the same measure. So they're both doing exactly the same thing. So here's the here it is in the main data table, and then the same measure in the calculations table. So let's just see how it works with Q&A. I'm going to go with the main data table. So GWP in main data table. And as soon as I hit spacebar, which just brings over to the next, I then get the options of the fields available to me in that table. And I can go on ahead and accept. Let's do the same thing against the calculations table. So tab to accept that, but I'm not getting any sort of prompt until I pretty much get to the end of typing the transaction thing. So it's not nearly as intuitive. So it does. Q&A takes a hit whenever calculations or measures are stored in separate tables. So I thought I would just call that one out and just let you know. Okay, cheers.